Hi, this is Lauren Perreault from 5 Realty here in Portland with a quick look at the latest real estate trends across the Portland metro area, including, of course, Clark County, Washington. I update the market stats each week, so if you received a link to this report from someone sharing it, be sure to subscribe. After a couple of slower weeks, sale prices are showing a little bit of stabilization, and mortgage rates have dipped closer to that 6% mark for a 30-year fixed loan. It's been a long time since we saw that. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. This snapshot includes the entire Portland metro area, including Southwest Washington. If you have questions about the data or want to dig into something specific about your neighborhood, please feel free to reach out. In last week's update, the average sales price was down around 5% compared to 2024 at the same time. This week, that number has leveled out a bit, down just 0.7% from the same week last year. It's still a decline, but certainly an improvement. Taking a wider view of March as a whole, sale prices were up about 1.9% year over year, a noticeable slowdown from February's 6.7% increase. What's a little more concerning is that the average sales price actually dropped by roughly $10,000 from February to March, which is very unusual for this time of year when prices typically climb. On the supply side, the number of homes available for sale continues to rise, which is expected as we move deeper into our spring market. Even so, buyer activity is keeping pace. In fact, purchase contracts are being signed at a rate that's outpacing new listings by a healthy margin. The big story this week is mortgage rates. Following a shift in investor behavior tied to newly announced tariffs, more money has moved into the bond market, pushing the yield on the 10-year Treasury lower. Mortgage rates have followed. By Thursday morning, the most favorable rate available for a 30-year fixed loan was around 6.125% under the best case scenario. That's nearly half a point lower than what we saw just last week. That's a wrap on the week's key market highlights. If there's anything you're curious about, or if you'd like a more detailed and tailored look at your situation, I'd be happy to help. Just feel free to call me at 503-388-2888 or email me Lauren at pdxhomesforsale.com.